In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a video in InVideo using an AI prompt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a simple idea to a complete AI-generated video with a clear, straightforward workflow. First, open your browser and go to InVideo. Once you're on the home page and ready to work, start a new video. Think of this as opening a fresh canvas. You're telling InVideo you want to build something from scratch using AI, so you have a clean space to drop in your instructions and let the tool do the heavy lifting. Next, in a separate tab, open your preferred AI engine, such as ChatGPT. Your goal here is to create a strong prompt that describes the video you want. A good prompt should explain your topic, your goal, the audience, the tone, and any important points you want covered. It helps to be clear and specific. For example, you might ask the AI to write a concise prompt that says you want a friendly, 60-second explainer about a beginner's guide to a topic aimed at newcomers, with a confident yet approachable voice and simple language. If you already have a theme, style, or call to action in mind, include that too. Avoid adding personal or sensitive information. Keep it professional and generic. Once the AI generates that prompt, copy it. Make sure you've captured the full text so nothing important is left behind. Now switch back to your InVideo tab. Find the area where InVideo asks for a prompt or script. Paste your prompt directly into that field. This is the instruction set InVideo will follow to build your video, so pasting the complete, polished prompt is key. When your prompt is in place, click Generate. InVideo will begin processing your instructions. Behind the scenes, it's interpreting your prompt, assembling relevant scenes, choosing visuals, and organizing text in a logical flow. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and your internet speed, this can take a short moment. Be patient and let the process finish so everything loads correctly. After the generation completes, you're done. You've successfully created a video in InVideo using an AI-crafted prompt. If you want stronger results next time, refine your prompt by clarifying the audience and outcome, specifying tone and pacing, and listing the must-cover points. Clear direction helps the AI stay focused and saves time. That's the entire process from start to finish. Go to InVideo, create a new video, use an AI engine to craft a focused prompt, copy it, paste it into InVideo, click Generate, wait for the build, and you're all set.